This is Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can check your data usage on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the Settings app. In here, go for the Connections, then Data Usage. In here at the top, you can find the general amount of mobile data used, or you can also go for the Mobile Data Usage section below it and see more detailed statistics on it. For example, the mobile data usage by apps. And at the very bottom of the data usage page, you will also be able to enter the Wi-Fi data usage page, where obviously you can check how much Wi-Fi or how much internet you have used through the Wi-Fi and which app used how much exactly. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching and bye bye.